Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and this is where we talk about money made simple, how to save it, grow it, and most importantly, protect it. Today's topic might just be the single most important financial topic ever: emergency funds, your personal safety net when life throws you a curveball. Because let's be honest, emergencies don't send you a Google Calendar invite. Your car breaks down, your dog needs surgery, your job suddenly disappears. And without an emergency fund, all of that can send your finances spiraling. So today, we're diving deep into what an emergency fund really is, why you must have one, how much you actually need, the best places to keep it, and how to build one, even if you feel broke right now. Stick around till the end. I'll also share a 5-step plan to build your emergency fund faster than you think. Let's jump in. What is an emergency fund? Okay. First things first, what even is an emergency fund? In simple terms, it's money you set aside for unexpected expenses, real emergencies, not "I saw a sale on new sneakers" emergencies. Think of it like this: an emergency fund is your financial life jacket. You hope you'll never have to use it, but when you're drowning in unexpected costs, it keeps you afloat. Examples of real emergencies: sudden medical bills, car or home repairs, job loss or pay cuts. Family emergencies or travel costs. It's not for concert tickets, holiday shopping, upgrading your phone. You'd be surprised how many people dip into their emergency fund for those. No. 2. Why you need one. Now, let's talk about why this fund is so important. According to a recent updated statistic, for example, from Bankrate or Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. That's huge. And when emergencies happen, and they will, you've got 3 choices. 1. Use cash you already have your emergency fund. 2. Borrow money, credit card, loan, or family. 3. Skip paying something important. Option 1 keeps you calm and debt-free. Options 2 and 3. They create a cycle of stress and financial instability. Imagine this: your car breaks down and costs $1,000 to fix. If you put that on a credit card with 25% interest and make minimum payments, you'll end up paying over $1,300, and it could take you a year or more to pay it off. But if you had that $1,000 sitting in an emergency fund, you pay it, move on, and sleep like a baby that night. That's financial peace of mind. No. 3. How much do you need? So, the big question: how much should your emergency fund be? You'll hear a lot of advice. Some say $1,000 to start. Others say 3 to 6 months of expenses. Here's how to think about it. 1. Starter fund. If you're new to saving, start with $1,000. That's enough to cover small emergencies: flat tires, broken appliances, vet visits. 2. Stability fund. Once you've paid off high-interest debt, aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. That means rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. 3. Comfort fund. If you're self-employed or your income is unstable, consider 6 to 12 months. It gives you extra breathing room. Let's say your essential monthly expenses are $2,000. 3 months equals $6,000. 6 months equals $12,000. That might sound like a lot, but don't panic. We'll break down how to get there step by step. No. 4. Where to keep it. Next question: where should you keep this money? You want it to be safe, liquid, and separate. Translation: it should be easy to access in an emergency, but not too easy to spend impulsively. Here are your best options. 1. High Yield Savings Account (HYSA). Easy access, FDIC insured. You'll earn some interest, usually around 4 to 5% these days. 2. Money Market Account. Slightly higher interest sometimes. Comes with check writing or debit access. Avoid investing it in stocks, too risky. Keeping it in cash under your mattress, unsafe, and loses value over time. The goal here isn't to make money, it's to have money available when you need it. No. 5. How to build it. Alright, let's talk strategy. How do you actually build an emergency fund, especially if you feel like you're barely scraping by? Here's a 5-step plan you can start today. Step 1. Know your number. Figure out your goal. Start with $1,000, then work toward 3 to 6 months of essentials. Step 2. Create a separate account. Out of sight, out of mind. Don't mix it with your spending money. Step 3. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers every payday. Even $20 or $50 adds up. Treat it like a bill you must pay yourself. Step 4. Cut and redirect. Audit your spending. Find $50, $100 a month from unused subscriptions, dining out less, or cutting impulse buys. Redirect that straight into your emergency fund. Step 5. Boost with extra income, side hustle, tax refund, bonus. Send part of it straight to your fund. Smiling, remember, every dollar saved now is a dollar that saves you from panic later. No. 6. Mindset and motivation. Here's something people overlook. Building an emergency fund isn't just a financial move. It's a mindset shift. You're training yourself to think ahead, to prioritize peace of mind over instant gratification. Think about how different you'll feel knowing that if something goes wrong, you're covered. That confidence, that's freedom. You're not just saving money, you're buying security, stability, and control. No. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Host. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover a few common mistakes people make. Not defining what an emergency is. Stick to real emergencies. Keeping it too accessible. Don't tie it to your daily checking account. Stopping after the first $1,000. Keep building until you reach your comfort level. Using it for non-emergencies and not refilling it. If you use it, rebuild it right away. So, to recap, your emergency fund is your financial foundation. It protects you from debt, reduces stress, and gives you peace of mind no matter what happens. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every milestone along the way. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and drop a comment below. How much are you aiming to save in your emergency fund this year? And remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.